Hello, in this video I'm going to replace the LCD screen on my Acer Nitro 5 laptop. I broke the screen by closing the screen on this USB cable, and as you can see it cracked the corner, causing the screen to malfunction. Silly mistake. Ordered a new screen from laptopscreen.com. Package arrived a couple of days later. See how it's gonna play out here. Nice. Ventilation not broken. Looks legit. There's the bus there. A couple screws in each corner, no big deal. So, I guess I'll turn this thing off. Probably don't have to. I will though. Take the power out. I'm not going to take the battery out. So, I'm going to just take this cover off. Just snaps on. There's likely, I'll use a butter knife. I don't know, letter opener, credit card. I'm using my fingernails. Just going to gently unsnap this all around. There. Nothing, no worries there. 4 Phillips screws in the corner. Get those out of there right quick. I think this boy right here. Magnetic screwdriver is nice for this. That's it. There's no adhesive or anything holding it. There's the connector. Appears to have some tape holding it on. How's that supposed to work? Oh yeah. Well, that's that. Crazy. Interesting. Alright. Out of the way. Get the new guy. Okay. Okay. It just plugs in there like that. Very little holding it in. Guess I should add a piece of tape. Let's do that. Excellent. A little bit of blue Loctite on these screws, so that's nice. Okay. Just want to make sure that get this connection included and sandwiched in there. That's an electrical connection. Alright, let's test this sucker out before we put it back together. Groovy. So far so good. I'll go ahead and put these other screws in it. Just like Lego, man. Yep, she's working. Everything's fine. Everything's coming up, Millhouse. That was pretty easy. I was pretty bummed out. When I broke the screen, felt pretty silly. But 100 and change bucks later for the screen, back in business. Let's take this off before I put the cover back on. Nice. All these wires appear to be where they're supposed to be. Now this start at the bottom, I guess. Gently snap it back together. Good as new. Good as new. Thanks, laptopscreens.com.